Hi, I'm Andy Shumway, one of the dentists at Shumway Dental Care in Chandler, Arizona, and today I'd like to talk about a word that we use frequently, almost every day probably, and that word is someday. Have you ever said something to the effect that someday I'm going to do this, or someday I'm going to do that, someday I want to read that book, someday I want to travel to such a place, or someday I'm going to write a letter or email or contact an old high school friend that I haven't seen in years. Someday I'm going to start that project. I'm going to clean out the garage or build shelves or whatever it may be. Seems like someday almost never comes, doesn't it? It seems like it's closely related to the word tomorrow, and we've all heard the word or the phrase tomorrow never comes. You know, what would happen if we eliminated that word someday from our vocabulary? What would we say? You know, would we start that project today? Would we write that letter to our long-lost friend today? Would we improve our family relationships today? Would we, clean out the garage today? Even, would we improve our smile today? Or fix that one tooth that has been broken for some time today? I believe there's great power that can come into our lives when we don't put off until someday what we can do today. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day today.